Like and share, you know. Just they are feed the animal them, you see it? Feed up the animal them, you see me? Bird man. Yep. Right now you park and feed them, you know. You see it? You don't know. Bring out some food for them, you see me? Man, them just there with a vice and I feed them, you see it? Yeah man. Whole heap of my birds them, you see it? Feed them thing I wanna eat them, you see me? Yeah man. Feed them, you know. We don't eat them. Feed them thing I wanna eat them, you see me? Take care of them in the jungle, you see it? Now we don't have no time to eat them. Feed them. Alright? So when they come near me because they know I not eat them, you see it? So that's why they come so near me because I not eat them, you see it? You see how food I bring to them. All you for them around this, you know. Don't stop the fighting, man. You don't live loving. You saw me I feel the whole around the loving. Eh? Why you not start fight? Eh? Why you fight for, man? Stop. You want to eat off everything, stop? And mom? Stop, man. Why you not fight? You can't live loving. Live loving. Tough. Yeah, man, a bird, man, you know. Yeah, feed up the birds, yeah. Come. So just some of the birds, them, you see it? Feed up the nature thing, them, alright. Bring food for them. Yeah, man, I can't have no dinner, man. Yeah. Stop the fighting. I'm not fight. Stop the fighting, man. I'm about to with them, you know. That's it. Be a bird. Bird man, my name, you see me? Stop the fighting, man. And live good. What's wrong with you now? Huh? Live good, man. Fight for yourself and everybody has get a piece of cake. All of them will bring it finally, I'm going like him one war running. And out, I'm going to bring food, whole heap of food, I'm bring food. We don't know enough people, we don't eat them, you know. And we take care of them, you see me? Whole heap of them, man, see them? And fuck eat, I said, they eat after they shit. After them shit, you see them enough, you know. Whole heap of them. They eat after them shit, you see me? Stop fighting, man. Eh? Stop the fighting, man. And relax yourself, man. What are you fighting for? Eh? What are you fighting for? Eh? Then what am I fight for? What am I fight for? Bring food now. Enough of them, you know. Some of them cock a hole full. I'm national bird in Canada. When you see them on the road, you have to stop like a human being make them pass. You have a lick one day, you get life in prison. So I can waste something, just save it up for them. And we know them there, you see me? And we come give them, you see it? Stop it fighting. What not fight for? I can't live good. How me I live good and I feed the whole around. I bring food to everybody. I don't bring food to me alone, you know. Eh. Yeah, eh. Walking like a boy. I listen now. I don't diss them. I bring food and then stop and fight. Fight in the workout, man, eh. Value of a liquor. Yeah. No come in, man, no come. No come have fun, man, no come. I'm going to come check in the rasta. One of them come check, man. They don't know you look farm, you know, but you don't eat them. Fun them, you see me? All the boys, and yam out the whole of them, eh? So all of them down in Jamaica catch them, you done them all in Africa. Nothing no left. Alright? That's cute, man. That's cute, brother. Whole heap of them, man. You see? And soon Florida and I US not Florida. You see them line up in the man, and gone over the sun at. And the winter come on, you know. It's the last one you got for them, you know. I don't know, go drink water. Water. Oh. Come. Where are wife? Kaka will full up. Like them full, man, enough. Me hear no go around this one. What doing you know? Kaka will full me and more bread. Like we don't like my bread. Enough me give them, you know. What do now? Watch up now. What do now? Watch up now. How now go? Scared of the white people them to Rasta. And see white people them come out and take for themselves. Here. Don't let me know, brother. Kaka one full. So them one of them. Half the food ever care for them. So I will eat more for me. Good. Yeah, food. Food there for them to wrap. Food. Oh my God. What if I food we bring for them, you know, but then the caca not full. Another day I have to go come back again, you know. Find more food for them. See them there? The belly full. Gone, you know. The belly full. You know, full up. You know, full. Alright, you know, full up. Well full. Yeah, man, eat food, eh? See them full, you know. And when I bring food for them in a play, you know. You know, Mr. Tell. Yeah, man. Gone, you know, see them? See them people? Just come feed them, see them? Run us a whole heap of food, see them, eh? Yeah, man. See them, you see them? Come again. Food time. See them paper. Lots of burger, you know. See them and then shit up the place. You see them? Take a good look out for them, you see it? Enough, you know. Really full up. Bird man. Really full. Yep. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 20 of them over here. So. See, 20 of them over here. So. I see them, some of them I eat. Yeah, come out the road now. So you just reverse and drive around. People. I'm sleep now. I run from now doing it. So, you know. Oh, what's up? It's right. Gone now, is it? Them? Yeah, way. What I do? Them people gone now. Change your port. Bye. Yeah man, I said them confident feeding and then they fly out, you see it? And confident feeding and then they fly out, you see it? Yeah man, I don't know. I want to just like and share a video, you see me? A long time I don't post a video because as I say sometimes the time. So I say sometimes the time out for me people. Let me get to post a one video but I don't know. So I post a little one and you see it. Yeah man. I don't know any man. And the boy talk it through TV, you see it. So I post a little one. That's a long time I don't post up a little video so you know. So I just post up a little one video. Cause a long time I don't post nothing for you, you see it. I don't know. Running in the park if you a little bit to see it. Yeah. Beat a beer, you see it? Yeah man, so now just go and big up on yourself, you know man. Just come feed the bird them. I mean I say I just make a one video. And I still get 1 cup and 8 minutes out of the feeding of the bird. So you just have on yourself a wonderful time and big up on yourself, you see it. Like and share and subscribe, you see it, you don't know. Might take a little while to put up videos sometime man, but sometimes man, the whole stress thing brother, you know, you see it. But anyway, still I'm glad I put up a video about a month and I don't post a video so I go upload that one and now you see it. That's when I can get something for people. That's how the thing set. Should I go no more still but so when you work and tired man, it's easy around no time sometime, you know. You have to free if you do this, you know. This is a job to itself, you know. But as soon as I reach the 4,000 watch view and start do something and start get a little change. I tell you, I go come out wicked with it. You see it? So you just like, share and subscribe. And just give me a watch. Give me a like. You see me? Up runnings. I'm out.